How to claim Billion's network airdrop, Billion's network withdrawal update. So in this video, we're going to see step by step on how to claim your Billion's network rewards. So coming here, so if you're a yapper, you're going to locate the link here to claim your reward. This is for yappers. So if you actually yapped for this particular project, your season 1 reward is free for you to unlock it. So what you are going to do is just to tap on this. I'm also going to drop it in the video description. So for the community, this is where you can check your eligibility. Just go to communitybillions.network and check your eligibility. So if you're eligible, you are going to see, just click on that link. It will also be attached in the video description. Check your eligibility. Now, Billions is going to be traded in different exchanges. Billionw staking is live. Stake now to earn higher rewards. Billionw is coming to different exchanges: Binance, Gate.io, OKX, BitGet, and so on. So many exchanges are going to list this token in less than an hour. This token is going to be traded live. So if you participated on Billionw exchange or Billionw network, go and check your eligibility so that you can transfer your allocation to any of the exchanges, including KuCoin. KuCoin is going to list this token. Look at what they said. Billions is bringing double rewards to KuCoin. Activity: Billionw Gym Slot Carnival. Share a 975,000 bill prize pool. Don't miss your chance to enter. This is for KuCoin. And Bitmart also is going to list this token. And they said here, 4 hours, Bitmart announced the permanent listing of Billionw network. So this is for Bitmart. So many exchanges is going to list, and even Bybit, like I said earlier, Bybit is also going to trade and list this token. So take your time. Any of the exchanges, go and check if you are eligible to receive your allocation. Mercy also said they are going to trade this token today. Trading is May 4th. Available once liquidity requirements are met. So let's go to any of the exchanges and check. So coming to Mercy, let's check the trading. So we are going to change this IONs. We search for Bill, Bill. So let's tap on this particular one, BILL, USDT trading pair. Wow, so it's listed at 0.03. That is not bad though. Imagine 0.03. So let's check the actual listing price. Let's check the actual listing price. It's listed at 0.031 and it's currently pumping. So it might even reach 0.04. Congratulations to those people that actually participated. If you participated, congratulations to you. Go and claim your allocation right now. Check if you're eligible and transfer your allocation to any of the exchanges: Bitmart, KuCoin, Gate.io, Mercy, and all that. So go and trade your coin now. So that is it for this video. See you guys in my next video.